So if you don't see me in the same clothes, don't kill me. Me just they try to give on content. I'm trying to send out the content for you so we have content to watch, because me always the work, and when I come home from work I don't want to beat my face and I don't want to do anything more than cook my food or eat my leftover food and edit and upload and go sleep basically and talk to my man, so, or cuddle up with my man or whatever. So I'm trying to film these videos. So if you see me in the same shirt and the same makeup and all these things, don't kill me, don't stress me, just watch the video and keep on watching. So today's video we're gonna be talking about Cashpot. Everybody in Jamaica know about Cashpot. Cashpot is like the lotto to America. Okay, that it equals the same thing basically. So I'm gonna read this article and then I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts and opinions on the whole Cashpot thing in Jamaica. Players of Supreme Ventures' popular Cashpot game will get a chance to win over 3 times their regular prize payout, the highest winnings ever with the brand new Mega Ball promotion. During the Mega Ball promotion, which runs from tomorrow until Saturday, May 13th, players will have the opportunity to win big for 8 weeks. To participate, you see, I made it read sarcastically. I can't talk. To participate in the Mega Ball promotion, players play Cashpot as normal. Then they have the option of playing the Mega Ball for extra $10 or more on their Cashpot numbers. A Mega Ball bet cannot be more than a player's Cashpot bet. Prize payout. Immediately after each Cashpot draw, 1 additional ball will be drawn from the Mega Ball promotion machine with 3 balls. 1 gold ball, the Mega Ball, 2 white balls. And when a player Cashpot number is drawn along with the Mega Ball, they will receive a prize payout of $960 for every $10 bet. If a white ball is drawn, the Cashpot prize payout remains at $260 for every $10 bet. The more players bet, the more they win. Let me top it here. Assistant Vice President of Corporate Communication, Simone Clark Cooper, you bad no blood clot girl, you wicked, anticipated a huge response to the Cashpot Mega Ball promotion and says, "We always try to find new ways to re-engage our players. Give them a good gaming experience with good rewards. The Mega Ball offering delivers on both those fronts, and we know our players will enjoy an enhanced version of their favorite game," she said. The Mega Ball feature will be added to all 6 daily Cashpot draws, with the exception of Good Friday, when no draws will be held. Good Friday. What's special about Good Friday, so? Because a Christian run Jamaica. But anyway, let's talk about this whole Mega Ball Cashpot thing. Since I was a kid, people they buy Cashpot. Auntie Cutie, me love you. Me love you to death. You raised me. Basically, you raised me for half of my life. But my Auntie Cutie, love Cashpot. Okay? She will spend her last dime on Cashpot. If Auntie Cutie see one number on one taxi they go buy, she buy the number. If she see one lizard in the house, she buy the number. If at my birthday, she buy the number. If at anybody birthday in the yard, she buy the number. My question to my audience is this: who do they know? Who do they know? Like, who do you know? Like, say him live up as and him win the Cashpot other day. Who do you know in your immediate life, in your immediate surroundings, have win Cashpot? Me there wait. Cause from me a tat, then they play Cashpot where me come from. I know somebody that I know can't win cash pot or can't win no big money off a cash pot. When them do win, I want to look at 500, want to look at 1,000, want to look at 5,000, I want to look at 10,000. Me never hear nobody win more than $10,000 off a cash pot yet. So all these years they in a Jamaica playing cash pot. It says Supreme Ventures Limited is local company owned and operated by Jamaicans. It's owned and operated by Jamaicans. I hope. Because if these people are making all this money off of Jamaican people, where actually they buy cash pot, I hope that all this money that they're accumulating in Supreme Ventures and cash pot, actually they stay in the country, actually giving jobs back to our people, actually doing something good for our society. We not just dump our money down the drain and look at the wash way they go. So okay, so if you play a cash pot, I want you to tell me, why do you play cash pot? Why you think you'll win? Who you? And for the other people that don't play cash pot, no, why you tell me? Why you tell me why you not play cash pot? Because honestly, quite frankly, I feel like cash pot and lotto and all these things is just a scam to get people money basically. Me play 1 and 2 times for fun when me have like $1, $1, $2 for that shit. But it's not something I'm gonna take my last dime and buy. And I know a lot of people in Jamaica that will spend their last dime on cash pot and don't win nothing at all. And that is so backwards to me, and that's so backwards and nonsensical. Me can't understand it. I see people buy scratch off all the time, and I've never spent $1 by scratch off. Okay, I'll buy a lotto here and there, I'll buy whatever, but scratch off and them sitting there, not I, brother, because I'm not wasting my money. But in the comment section, tell me if you buy cash pot. Tell me why you think you'll win. Tell me if you think you're just some special magical being that'll go win big one day at Jamaica. And if you don't play cash pot, tell me why you don't play cash pot. What are your reasons, and what you think about people actually spend them last dollar they play cash pot. I don't have nothing against people that spend them last dollar, but me personally wouldn't do it. So comment in the comment section, tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube, Brains on the Beat. Who else you gonna subscribe to? Yeah, Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. I'm proud of here, man. Deuce. Love y'all.